To change the default video player application in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Start menu icon, and then click or tap Settings. Select Apps, and then select Default Apps. Scroll down. On video players, tap or click video player default, and then select app you want to set default, for example Cool Player. Now when you open video, video player will be open in Cool Player. Or other method, right click on Start menu icon and then select Apps and Features, and then select Default Apps. Scroll down. On video player, tap or click video default video player, and then select app you want to set default, for example Windows Media Player. Please wait. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.